Good morning, students. Today we will study about standard deviation. Actually, standard deviation is that deviation which we calculate out of mean, that how much deviation may be possible out of actual value which are supposed to be calculated. So there are basically three formulae. Presently we will be doing with two formula. The first formula, this is known as arithmetic mean formula, and this is known as assumed mean formula. So the first one, this half n of Hindi, this is the denotation of standard deviation. So this is also known as sigma. So the first formula is sigma equal to under root summation fd square upon summation f. The second formula, that is assumed mean formula, it is summation under root summation fd square upon summation f minus in bracket summation fd upon f the whole square. And here d is either x minus x bar will be your mean, or x minus a in case of assumed mean. In case of assumed mean, a is the mean which we expect or which we assume, and x bar is the actual calculation of mean. Now remember that here summation fd square. Summation fd square means it is a summation of the product of f and d square. And here it is summation fd. It is the product of f and d. Whatever value will come, following to the BODMAS rule, first we will calculate summation fd upon f, and then whatever answer will come, we will take the square of that answer. Understood? So here I have put a dummy question. Class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, up to 40 to 50. F is given, x is given. For calculating x bar, since we need to calculate x bar because d equal to x minus x bar. So I have previously solved this question. So with the direct formula summation fx upon summation f. So summation fx upon f, it is written 25, 120, 225, 210, 90. So mean has come 22.3, which we can take as 22 in round figure. Now the formula says fd square upon f. So whatever is there in the formula we need to have in our table. So for fd square, first we need d square, and before that we need d. So how d will be calculated? Like x minus x bar. Then we will take the square value of that, then fd square. So we will be solving like this. Now see, I have calculated the value d equal to x minus x bar. Our x bar is 22, x is 5. So 5 minus 22, it is minus 17. Then 8 minus 22, it is minus 7. Likewise 3, 13, 23. Now when we square any value, either negative or positive, the answer is positive. So we have calculated d square, 17 square 289, 7 square 3 square, 13 square and 23 square. So we have got d square. Now as per the formula, we need fd square. So fd square is f5 into d square 289, f8 into 49 of d square, 9 into 9, 6 into 169 and 2 into 529. So you have got fd square. And fd for another formula we need, so that also I have calculated all together. The summation of fd square is 3990. So putting the values in formula, summation under root summation fd square upon summation f. So under root 3990 upon 30. 30 was our summation f. So the answer is coming exactly 133. Now we have to take the under root of 133. So we can make use of long division method of calculating square. We pair from the integers, we pair from right to left. So we have paired 33 and 1. We will take that number whose square should be either equal to 1 or less than 1. So 1 into 1, 1. Then we will take the pair of 33, 2 number as a carry, that is 33. The double of 1 will be written here to the left side, 2. We need such a number which should be written both the way at quotient and there, so that at divisor, so that its multiplication should come less than 33. So I have put 1 here and 1 up. So 21 into 1, it is 21. The remaining is 12. Now 12 is, we will take double of 11, it is 22. Now such a number which should be multiplied so that we should get 12. So 12 is not possible. I have put decimal and pair of 2 zeros we have taken. And likewise it is done. You have done in class 8 also. So the value is coming 11.53. So our standard deviation for this question is 11.53. If we solve by assumed mean method, then also summation fd square upon summation f. This already you have got 133. Only you need to calculate summation fd upon summation f. So summation fd is 292 upon 30. So it will be coming 9 point something. So you will take the square of 9 point something, that is will be 81 point something. That we will subtract from summation fd square upon summation f. And then finally you can take the square root by this method. So that is how the standard deviation questions are done. Kindly go through it, try to appear it, solve some more questions. In case any problem, do ask me. Thank you.